Welcome to Dcom. In this video, we will show you instructions on how to use our Seo Tool. The bot can simulate multiple devices to search and visit your website on Bing, so you can increase traffic for your website on Bing and rank your website on top Bing search. To buy Seo Tool, you visit Dcom and then click on this tool Seo. Then you select the package that you want to buy. Then click on Add to Cart. Next, you click on your cart. You will see the package here. Then click on Deposit to make payment. After making payment, you click on this icon next to your username, then choose license key. You will see your license management table. Next, you click on download button next to Seo here. Then you will see links to download the software as well as the user agent file. We also provide the license key. We will instruct you to use the license key later. After download the software, you right-click on Seo.rat here, then select Extract here. You will receive a folder named Seo. Open this folder, then double-click on Seo to install the software. Then you will see the interface of software here. You can increase two kinds of traffic, direct and search. There are several basic settings that you need to set up regardless of the choice of traffic source here. Now we will instruct you to set these basic settings. First is license key. When you buy the software, we provide you the license keys already. Back to Dcom and you will see the license key here. In key column, click on Copy and Action here. Then paste the copy license into license key section. Next, run is the total number of times that you want the software to run successfully. If you leave it at the default, the software will run continuously until you stop it manually. If you put 1000 here, the software will automatically stop after running 1000 times successfully. Next, tracks is the number of windows that you want the software to run at the same time. For example, you put 5 here. 5 windows will be open to visit your website on Bing simultaneously. The number of tracks that you can run depends on your PC configuration. The higher configuration is, the more tracks that you can run. Next, move to user agent mobile section. When you buy the software, you provide your links to download the user agent file. Just download this file to your computer like this. Then you click on this icon, select the downloaded user agent file. Next, proxy option section. There are 3 choices for you to choose here. In case you select Dcom, you need to attach the Dcom to your PC to run this software. In case you select from file, you move to file proxies to set up this session too. There are 2 options here. If you select lines from file, you need to create a text file to save proxy. Each proxy will be entered on one line. For example, these are our proxies. Then click to save. Then add file proxy session. Click on this icon, select the created text file proxy. If you choose lines from URL, you need to paste the link address of proxy that you rent from saferproxy.com into this section. In case you rent residential rotating proxy at saferproxy.com, you select RRB here. You can visit saferproxy.com to rent safe and cheap proxy. Next, pause between two search. The unit here is milliseconds. In case you put 60,000 and 90,000 like this, the software will visit and stay on your website for 60 seconds to 90 seconds before starting a new thread. Next, move to Bing link session. You just leave session at the default. We have just finished all basic settings. Now we will run direct traffic source by clicking on direct at traffic source session. Next, you import the website that you want to increase traffic. Click on data here. You will see the database manager dialog box. You can import data in two ways. The first way is you will do it manually. You need to click on this icon, then select add group, enter the group name here. I will enter direct. Then click OK. Then you click on the created group direct. Click on this icon, select add item. You need to paste link address of the website into website or text to click session here. For example, this is the website that I want to increase traffic. Copy this path, then paste it into the website or text to click. Click OK, and then you will see the data had been imported here. Similarly, you can import many links here. The second way for you to import data is you create a new text file to save link addresses of websites. Then you put the link address of websites that you want to increase traffic into this text file. Remember to put link into the double quotation mark. Similarly, you can enter hundreds or thousands of link addresses here. Each link needs to be entered on one line. Then you click to save. On this table, click on Convert, select Import CSV, click on this icon, then select the Create Test File of websites. The import group will be named as CSV. You can click on this icon, change the name here to easily manage it. Then click OK. Then you close the dialog box. At input session, you select the group of data that you want to run. Finally, you click OK. You can click on Show Browser to see how the software visits and increase traffic for your website. Now we will run search traffic. First, you select search at traffic source session. Next, move to click internal link. If you want the software to click on internal links after visiting the main website, you select yes here. Next, move to the internal clicks. If you set 2 and 3 like this, the software will visit the main website and then click on 2 or 3 internal links. We will instruct you to import these internal links at the input session later. Next, pause between internal pages. The unit here is milliseconds, so if you set 60,000 and 90,000 like this, the software will pause randomly for 60 seconds to 90 seconds between internal pages. Then you need to import the search data here. Click on data, you will see the database manager dialog box. There are 2 ways for you to import search data. The first way is you import them in manually. You click on this icon, select Add Group, then enter the group name here. Then click OK. Next, you select